Welcome to the Boone Blacksmith Shop. Leaves are an excellent decorative item to add to your ironwork, and they're used all through design. They're organic, they add a nice flow to the metal, and they're excellent in metal. They look beautiful and they'll last forever. That's kind of a neat thing about the leaves. Here's a few different samples of leaves. You know, this is quite a complex leaf and very large sides and a lot of work involved. Here's a little simpler artistic leaf that's just kind of a leaf, obviously. And then this is your standard leaf, and I'll show you the form of that. We'll start with this 3/8 bar round and make a simple leaf. Here's a storyboard which explains every step of the leaf making or the forging process. So let's get to the forge. First thing we do for a leaf is make a fairly blunt taper. Okay, so next thing we do is leave a segment for the leaf, which is about, on a 3/8 bar, maybe about 1 inch. And I'm going to come in with a half face blow, which means the face of the anvil, the hammer is half off of the anvil and half on the anvil. And then that will create a neck. And we'll just go back and forth at 90 degrees to create a real strong neck. Very strong neck, you see? And I pull back on it, which keeps the location just right. Now I'll just taper it so it's a little smaller. Hammering square, and now I'm going to break those corners and make it round. Okay, so that is what we're after. Now when I come out and smash the leaf to spread it, I will have the stem side up. And I'll do that on this side of the anvil. Okay, so with the neck facing up, I'm going to come to the edge of the anvil here, all on the face. Do a couple flat blows right in the middle. See that form? Then I'm going to stay in the middle, and the sides will spread out on the next heat. The other thing I'm doing is not hitting the tip. I'm just spreading behind the tip, which gives it a nice three-dimensional quality on the finished leaf. That's our rough form right now. Starting to just keep spreading on the sides, and the tip is still very thick, which adds that really nice three-dimensional quality. Now, using the cross beam of the hammer, add some veins to the work. Okay, so knowing the top and bottom, clean it off a little. Then I can take the tip, give it a nice curve. And then to make it three-dimensional, I've got a rose petal swedge here. I gently tap and then blow the leaf over. And now we have a very three-dimensional, very simple leaf. Excellent forging practice.